Over time, the battery inside your Black & Decker PV1825 Dustbuster may begin to lose its ability to hold a full charge, which can reduce suction time and cleaning performance. Since this handheld vacuum relies on a rechargeable battery pack, replacing the battery can restore its runtime and extend the life of the appliance. The process is fairly straightforward and only requires a screwdriver and a compatible replacement battery. With careful handling, you can swap the battery and have your dustbuster working efficiently again in just a few minutes. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the dustbuster and disconnect it from the charger to ensure it has no power. Step 2. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the vacuum housing to access the battery compartment. Step 3. Carefully open the casing and locate the internal battery pack inside the unit. Step 4. Disconnect the old battery connector and remove the battery pack, then install the new replacement battery. Step 5. Reassemble the casing, tighten the screws, and fully charge the vacuum before using it again.